Okay, here we go, gents.
Let's go!
Go Hawks!
Go Hawks!
And here we go with the second race in Boys Division 4. This is Heat 2.
Let's go, Angel!
Good race, Angel!
Let's go, Angel! Keep a good pace!
Good job, Angel!
Let's go, Sal!
We're at 67 points right now. We're good. Jack's in third yet.
Good job, boys. Steady climb. If you feel like it, steady climb.
Go get him, Logan! Go get him, Logan!
Don't be too hungry. Steady climb. Wait for the reservoir.
Let's go, let's go! Let's go out, Burko! Run within yourself. You just finished and we run again next week. Jonathan, go, Jonathan!
Yeah, you're looking great, Jack. Just keep it up. Just keep it up. That's fine. That's perfectly fine. Climb a little bit if you feel like.
Let's go, let's go, let's go! Let's go, Lou! There we go, there we go! Keep your arms, keep your arms! Push!
Running comfortably together. Harvard-Westlake with 2 in the top 10 with 250 meters to go.
Get some water, my man. Hey, great race, all right?
South Pass with 2 in the top 12 with 200 meters to go.
Finish all the way through, y'all. Finish all the way through. There we go. Finish through. There we go, my man. Hey, great race. y'all. Great race, fellas. Y'all go get some water. There we go. Finish all the way through. There we go. Finish all the way through. Finish all the way through. Finish. There we go. Run all the way through, y'all. Run all the way through. Right there, that's you. Who's gonna be first? Who's gonna be first? There we go, y'all. I love the teamwork, fellas. I love the teamwork, fellas. Great race. I got it. Okay, just wanna make sure you know. I got you. Great race, fellas. Get some water, my man. Try to do your best to keep moving.
Let's go, Luke!
Finish, y'all. Run all the way through. Let's finish. Run all the way through. Let's get the line. Get the line. Get the line. There we go. There we go. There we go. Get some water, man. Get some water. There we go. Run all the way through. Run all the way through. Catch somebody. Catch somebody. Catch somebody. There we go, y'all. Y'all go ahead and get some water, y'all. Keep moving, y'all. There we go. Great race, fellas. Try to stand up, my man. Try to stand up, my man. Do your best to keep moving. Get some water, my man. Get some water. Great race, fellas. Great race, fellas. Y'all go ahead and get some water, fellas. Y'all go ahead and get some water. Let's do our best to keep moving. Let's do our best to keep moving. Hey, right over here, my man. Let's try to get some water. Hey, great race, man. Great race, y'all. You gotta try to do your best to keep moving, y'all. Y'all do your best to keep moving, y'all. Try to get your There we go. There we go. Finish all the way through. Finish all the way through. Right over here, y'all. Let's go and get some water, y'all. Right over here. Let's get some water. Do your best to keep moving. Do your best to keep moving. There we go. All the way through. All the way through. All the way through. All the way through. Right over here, y'all. Go ahead and get some water.
We'll give you those scores, team scores for that second heat as soon as they are compiled. Third heat underway, and then the first girls race of the day will be next.
Do your best to keep moving, my man. Do your best to keep moving. Now I gotta get some water, man.
Excuse me.
Great race, y'all.
Second heat is finished, third heat on the top of the switchbacks now.
There we go. Come on, keep working, keep working. Run all the way through, run all the way through, run all the way through. There we go. Finish. Let's finish, let's finish, let's finish. Oh, finish through, finish through, finish through, finish through. Great job, my man. Go ahead and get some water. Great race, y'all. Let's work, let's work, let's work. There we go. Finish through, finish through, finish through, y'all. Finish all the way through. Finish all the way through.
Yes, you got it!
Great job, y'all. There we go. Go ahead and get some water. Great job, fellas. Let's go ahead and get some water, fellas. Let's try to keep moving. Double deep press.
Let's go, Ricky!
Great job, my man. Go ahead and get some water. Let's do our best to keep moving. There we go. Finish all the way through. Finish all the way through. There we go. Right over here. Let's go ahead and get some water.
Photos of Fillmore, Santa's of Big Bear, Torres in the blue, Santa's in the red. They come by the crossover as the leaders of the third heat. Rodriguez Whitney running in third.
All the way through. All the way through. All the way through.
In the yellow, he hits the crossover.
Great job, my man.
This is Menace Male of Laguna Beach in the white. Edward Rodriguez of Costa Mesa. And Pelletier of Oaks Christian. Barella of Bishop Mine, his teammate Leon right with him. Then the second of Big Bear. See all the Orange Lutheran boys running together, white tops and the red shorts. They've got 5 boys right there in the top 17.
Finish through, my man. Finish through. Finish through. Great job, my man. Right over here. Go ahead and get some water. Do your best to keep moving. There we go, all the way through. Finish all the way through. Finish all the way through. There we go, y'all. Right over here, go ahead and get some water. Great race, fellas. Great race. There we go. Let's finish through, my man. Let's finish through, my man. Get all the way through the car. All the way through the car.
Now we're comparing our info stuff. Yeah. I know we can get over or almost anything. Yeah, I think you're right. I'm super big. It's gonna be a good day.
We walked out like this was a part of the movie. Like I did it. Walk straight to the tip. There we go. I saw you were talking about it.
Santa's Big Bear right at 10:40 there, leading at the 2-mile mark. Santa's the Sweepstakes Division 4 champion from the Mount Sac Invitational with a very impressive 14:48 on this course here, leading our Heat 3 here. He's the Cross Valley League champion this year and the winner of the Fastback Invitational, which is a meet held here in the very first weekend of the season. They run just 2 miles. So Santa's certainly familiar with this course, leading well, and just about to make his way along the back of Reservoir. Next time you'll see him as we look to the west there, he'll come from the north, heading up that hill.
There we go. Finish through, my man. Finish all the way through. Finish all the way through. Finish all the way through. There we go. Great race, my man.